So in last video I discussed 15 problems of Grand Test 3. Remaining 15 problems I am discussing in this video. Here x is given as 20 digits. 20 digits means 1 into 10 power 19 up to 1, which is here totally 20 terms are there. So 1 into 10 power 20 minus 1 by 10 minus 1. Like here 1 is there means 100 plus 10 plus 1. Right? 3 digits are there, it starts with 2. 20 digits are there, it starts with 19, but sum of all will give you 10 power 20 minus 1 by 9. Y here is 10 times. 10 times means 10 power 10 minus 1 by 9. Z here is 10 times, which is 2 into 10 power 9 minus 1 by 9. So here x minus y square 10 power 10 minus 1 whole square by 9. 10 minus 1 whole square, if you take common, 10 power 10 plus 1 minus, get cancel, which is 2 by 9, 10 power 10 minus 1. Here, x minus y square by z square. 2 by 9, 10 power 10 minus 1. Z square is 2 by 81. Sorry, it is z square. X minus y square by z. So get us 1. Right. So here point of intersection of lines R bar is, so comparing I coefficients, we get 1 plus 3t is equal to minus 1 plus s. Comparing j coefficients, we get 5 minus 2s. 2s minus 5t is 3. Comparing k, here k coefficient 1 plus 9s. Here k coefficients 21t minus 3. Right. So here it is 90 minus 3s is minus 2. 21t minus 9s. So here 2s is there, 60 minus 2s is so minus 5t plus 2s, t is equal to minus 1. Substitute here, r bar is 1 minus 3i, 2 plus 5j, minus 7 minus 1 of 3k, minus 2i plus 7j minus 8k, which is minus 2, 7 minus 8. Here, let us remove it. So next here, perpendicular distance from A to BC. 1, 4 minus 2, B here 2, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 5, 1. So how to find out perpendicular distances? So first we will find area BA cross BC. Half will give you area, which is half BC into height, which is equal to BA cross BC modulus by H. So A here, B is 2, 1 minus 2. BA I can write 1 minus 3, 0. BC, C here is 0 minus 5, 1 minus 2 minus 6 plus 1. So BA cross BC will be IJK minus 2 minus 6, 1, which is I into 1 minus 0 minus 6. So here 3i minus j minus 12. So magnitude BA cross BC will be 9 plus 1 plus 144 root 159. So BC magnitude is root of 4 plus 36 plus 1 root 41 minus 2. Here I made a mistake. BC here is 3. J into 3, K into minus 6, minus of 6, okay, 9i. So here it is it is 40 root 49, which is 7. 81 plus 9 plus 144. 90 plus 234. Right. So here h will be root of 234 by BC 7. So here root 9 into 80 54 by 7. 3 root 26 by 7. First option. 2 days are selected from 7 days. 2 days from 7 can be selected in 7C2 ways. That is 7 into 6 by 2. Probability that 2 days are consecutive. Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Consecutive means we have 3 plus 4, 7 possibilities. Probability that 2 days are consecutive. 1 by 3. Whenever at least one positive root, this kind of problems we have to solve with the help of a graph. Assume that it has all the roots are negative, right? Both the roots are negative. So for what values of x, both roots are negative means if both are negative, f of 0 will be positive. That is 0 minus a minus 3 into 0, a greater than 0. And minus b by 2a, so where it attains minima, that should be negative. Minus of a minus 3 by negative. So from here, a is less than 3. So both roots are negative. If a belongs to, provided in this region equation has real roots. Let us find discriminant b square minus 4ac, so greater than or equal to 0. 6a minus 4a plus 9, a square minus 10a plus 9, a minus 1, a minus 9, less than 1 and greater than 9. So 0 somewhere here, 3. So negative roots are possible in 0 to 3 region. So now it should have positive means it should not be between 0 and 3. So which implies a belongs to minus infinity to 0 union. It should not be before 3. So it is union 9 to infinity. Element or direction cosines of a line, then this. So here arithmetic mean is more than geometric mean. So there he is asking maximum value of element. Maximum is possible if L, M, N are equal, implies substituting here, which implies element maximum is 1 by root 3 whole cube, because all are same, 1 by 3 root 3. Fx g of x are differentiable functions. F double dash x minus g double dash x is 0. D by dx of g dash x is 0 is constant. That is d by dx of fx minus g of x is constant. From here, f dash 1 minus g dash 1 is c. F dash 1 is given as 2, g dash 1, which implies c is minus 2. So which implies fx minus g of x minus 2x plus c. Otherwise, some other variable. To find d, f of 2 minus g of 2, because he given that initial conditions 3 minus 9 minus 6 plus 4 is d. D here is minus 2. So fx minus g of x minus 2x minus 2. Now he is asking value at 4, that is minus 2 times 4, we get minus 10. Right. Here, x value given, choose y as 8 minus, which is I plus f, integral part like 2.1 whole square, 4.4, some integral part, some fractional part. Choose here capital F as I plus f plus capital F, 8 plus 3 root 7. So for any n, suppose for only for understanding purpose n equal to 1, you get 16, which is even number. In particular, even if you put n2 or whatever, we get even integer. So I plus f is even integer I is integer, f plus f must be integer. We know that f is a fractional part. Capital F also 8 minus 3 root 7. It's almost 3 into 2.5 something. You get a 7.5. That you raises 8 minus 7.5 means 0.5. So that also lies between 0 and 1. So in fact, strictly 0. So 0 less than f plus capital F less than 2. F plus f is only integer between 0 and 2 is 1. That is 1. From here, f is 1 minus capital F. Here I is nothing but integral part of x plus f. So x minus x square plus x step of x is asking x minus integral part of x. Which is nothing but x minus, this is x minus integral part is fractional part. So x into 1 minus f, here from this 1 minus f is capital F. Here x is capital F is this 64 minus 63 whole per n, which is so here least possible number of elements in power set A and B contains distinct elements, then A union B number of elements in this subject. From the given information, A and B has at most 4 elements in common. So here n of A union B, 4 elements common means 6. If set A contains P elements, number of elements in its power set will be 2 power. So that is, which is equal to 2 power 6. 64 elements are possible. Fifth number is added to the set of numbers to make mean of the set of 5 numbers equal to the median. So this number n we can put anywhere. Suppose if n is placed in the first position, then mean sum of all the numbers by number of numbers. So that is 19, 25 plus 3, 28 plus. Wherever you put n, whether first or second or third, any place, mean will not change. In this case, median is 6. We arranged in increasing order. So n is 2. So it's the right possibility. If n is placed in second position, numbers are arranged like this in increasing order, then median becomes still 6. 10 equal to 2 you get, which is not possible. Once you put 2 here, they are not in increasing order. If numbers are arranged like this, so 28 plus n by 5, 4n is 28, n is 7. It's right possibility. 7 is in between 6. If 3, 6, 9, and 10, in this case, 9, n is 45 minus 28, 17, wrong choice, because 17 is not between 9 and 10. If 3, 6, 9, 10, n are there, in this case, we get n as 17. So it's a right choice. So 1, 2, and 3. So answer, there are 3 possibilities. Here AB are 2 non-singular matrices. A power 6 is I. So we have to find k such that B power k is identity. So AB square, what we know is BA. B is not identity. Then multiply both sides with a power 5. So we'll have a power 6. B square is a power 6 is given as I. IB square is from here a power 5B. So if I find P power 4, a power 5BA, again a power 5BA, A into a power 5, a power 6, a power 5B, a power 6 is identity, a power 5B square A. B square is nothing but a power 5BA into A. So here B power 4 here is a power 10BA square. A power 10 is a power 6 into a power 4. I a power 4, which is a power 4. So B power 8, if I find, still I didn't get BA format. B power 4 whole square will be A square, again a power 4 BA square. This is identity. We get a power 4 B square A square. B square is a power 5 BA into A square. It's a power 9. A power 6 into A cube. A power 6 is I. Here it is A cube. And this is B power 8. B power 16, if you find A cube B A cube, again A cube B A cube, A power 6 is identity, that is b square, it is b square is a power 5 ba, say a power 8 which is a square, so b power 32 if I find, which is a square b square a power 4, because a power 4 into a square is identity. B square is from here a power 5 ba, a power 7, it is a power 6 as identity, we get like this. B power 64 if I take, this we have to multiply 2 times, which is AB, a power 6 is identity, here b square a power 5, b square is a power 5 ba into a power 5. So a into a power 5 I, a power 6 b, a into a power 5 I, a power 6 which is identity, b power 64 is b, operating with b inverse. Since non-singular inverse exists, b power 63 is identity. So k value here is 63. Here length of subnormal is equal to length of subtangent on the curve. So length of subnormal is y by m. Length of subtangent, here it is, curve is drawn, it is perpendicular is drawn here, n, this is t, this is length of subtangent, it is length of subnormal. So at the point here it is x comma y, tan theta is y by length of subnormal subtangent, that is which is equal to y by tan theta is m, tn is y by m. So at which point 3 comma 4, so here it is y get cancelled at same point, so m square is 1, tan theta is 1, theta is 5 by 4, if it is minus 1, it's minus 3 by 4. And the tangent at 3 comma 4 to fx meets the coordinate axis at a and b. So here y minus 4 is equal to slope, if you take 1, y minus 4 is x minus 3. X minus y is minus 1. It meet x-axis at t, y-axis at L. At t, which is on x-axis, y0. Y0 means x is minus 1. At L, y here is x0. X0 means y becomes 1. So in this case, here is origin, maximum area of, so here it is OTL, which is half into 1 into 1. So K here is 1. Other possibility, if you take minus 1 as slope, in that case, you will have a line y minus 4 is minus x plus 3. So x plus y is 7. In this case, area is p square by 2ab. C square means 49 by 2ab. So possible answer, there are two areas. One area is half, other area. So K here is 49. Here it is. There are 2 points. One is 4 plus 6i. It's 4 comma 6. Another is 10 plus 6i, keeping y fixed. And he given this point as P represents Z2, Q which represents Z1, and Z is any point. When argument is same, it is a part of the circle. Here what it says, argument of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 is pi by 4. It is not for 1 point. Z minus Z1 indicates this, Z minus Z2 represents this line. So if I divide, what I get is I get angle between them. So this he says it as pi by 4. So for all points on this arc, argument is pi by 4. Angles in the same segment are equal. Then, so Z is any point on the circle. What about this 7 comma 9? Let us see. Here is a midpoint. 4 plus 10 by 2. 6 plus, this is nothing but 7 comma 6. So this point coordinates 7 comma 6. Even center, because it is y is fixed parallel to x-axis. So what I have to find out is y coordinate. So it makes an angle pi by 4 at the circumference. At the center, angle made at the center is double the angle made by it on the circumference. So which implies angle PCQ here is 90. So this is radius, it is radius, and PQ square, which is PC square plus CQ square, R square plus R square. So PQ distance is root of 10 minus 4 whole square, which is 6. So which is 2r square here. R will be PQ by root 2, 6 by root 2, which is 3 root. Then let us find the CM. Here it is, this is 3, because 4 to 7, there is only a distance 3. CM square is r square minus 9, 18 minus 9, CM is 3. So here somewhere origin, this is 6 units, it is 3 units. 6 plus 3, 9 units. So center will be, so he is asking Z to the center, which is nothing but radius, which is we already calculated. It is how much? 3 root 2, root 18. Okay, here is it. Here in the question, A0, A3. So the remaining terms are missing. Then only possibility x1 we get A0 plus A1x, which is equal to 3 power 50. X is 2, x is omega. A2 omega square, E100 omega power 100. 1 plus omega square power 50, which is 0. A0 plus A1 omega square, A2 omega power 4, which is 1 plus omega square. Omega power 4 is, which is omega. So now say this is 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3A0 omega power 4 is omega. It is 0. It is 0. Again here A3 case, A3 omega, if I substitute, it's A3x cube. Omega cube is 1. A3 omega square whole cube, omega power 6, that is 1. So here you get 3A3. From here, 3 times A0 plus A3 so on, which is 3 power 50. 3 power 49. K here is 49. The number of ways of be arranged so that two A's are together but not R. First, I will arrange these letters at random. In this case, number of arrangements will be 4 plus 3, 7 factorial. R is repeated twice, A repeated. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 by 4. Here it is 6 into 5, 30. So this is 30 into 42. 1260 possibilities. Now, so here there are two conditions. Arrange two A's are together. And NGE, two R's also together. Later I will subtract. How many letters totally here? Okay. So totally here 1, 4, here it is 5, 6. Because A's are together, he is not putting any condition on R right now. So in this case, 4 plus 6 factorial. This we treat it as 1. Only we have to consider R as two different letters. So 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2 by 2. The 12, 6, 360 possibilities. But AA, NGE, are at one place. 6 factorial, sorry, 5 factorial. So that is 120. Say this is 1, 2. Here A's are together, here A's and A's are at one place, R's also together. But he says R are not together. R's are not together. Which is 360 minus 120. 240 weights are possible. I think this is not required. Right? Two A's must be together and two R's must be not together. First, A's are together, R's are any possibility. And A's and A's are together, R's are also together at one place. If R's are not together, means first minus second, which we get 240 base.